I got a video for you guys. Well, first of all, the fan featured in Stupid Dead Fan is now working. I've got it turned off right now for the video because of the noise, but this isn't the main focus of the video. Focus of the video are these two fans right here. On the right is your standard Walmart grade Galaxy box fan. And you can see one right there. We'll get to that later too. And on the left is a Toastmaster fan. Now this is the Toastmaster fan that I've talked about in my Stupid Dead fan video, that has a blades off a fan like that one over there. And basically got the blades on there. The switch came loose, the blades pulverized the switch. I garbage picked that dead fan and put on the Toastmaster, which was kind of an upgrade for the Toastmaster. It was originally a 2-speed, now it's a 3-speed. I wired the switch backwards by accident, so instead of going off high, medium low, it goes off low, medium high, which actually to me makes more sense anyway. So I'm going to just do a quick comparison just to show which one moves more air. Both fans are on high. You'll have to take my word for that. So let me get going here. Skittle. Here it is in the Galaxy. As much as I hate to admit it, the Galaxy El Cheapo fan that's not even good enough to have braces on the blades actually moves more air than the vintage Toastmaster with the high velocity blades. Now that is most likely because the Toastmaster originally had plastic blades and the motor just plain is not strong enough to run those heavy metal blades with probably a fair bit more pitch. So before I trash this thing, I am going to pull the as much as I hate to say this, I'm going to pull the blades off that and stick on the Toastmaster. Now, let me show the dead fan now working. Let me turn off this fan here, which, sadly enough, I paid 80 bucks for this at Lowe's. It appears to have the exact same motor as the Aloha Breeze, but at least I found an oil port, so if this one starts giving me trouble, I can oil it and get it going again. So I just plugged in the cord. And there it is. That's the same fan in my Stupid Dead fan video, resurrected from the dead. The electrical tape I put around the motor shaft to make it bigger so I could get that a high velocity blade on it. It's kind of melted from the motor heat. Kind of interesting. Well, I got this apart. I'll probably dump some 3-in-1 oil in. And I'm a little worried about the shaft being too big for the plastic El Cheapo blades, but we'll see what happens. And there we go. It moves more air with the crappy Galaxy blades, believe it or not. But of course, it originally came with plastic blades, so it can turn those blades at a faster speed. If I find a vintage dead fan with a good set of plastic blades, needless to say, it's going to go on that. Just some WD-40 and some cutting, all it took to get that electrical tape off. When it's first turned on, I sprayed WD-40 all over the inside of the fan, which, considering the fact it's metal, probably isn't a bad thing. And David's farm, he would probably just call it redneck air freshener. Now to take care of this thing. That was kind of undramatic. Oh well. It was kind of fun. Probably see if I can let's get this handle off, see if I can use it on that Toastmaster. I could probably try and have some fun and try and trash it, but that involves work. And I'm working 10-hour days right now at work. I'd rather relax at home. But this is good stress relief. Whew, what other ways how else can I trash this stupid thing? Walmart grade at its finest. I wonder why they threw it away. Oh, maybe because the motor failed. That's just about gone through. Huh. Well, I could probably food bar it more, but I don't feel like it. So there's just one thing left to do with this. How convenient, today's Tuesday and trash day for me is Wednesday. And for those of you who are curious, there's the completed product. Doesn't move a huge amount of air, but hey, a fan's a fan.